help you, mate.
Huh? Who said that?
Down here, on the counter.
Oh, no. It's another load of bloody woodworm.
You asking for trouble or something? Steady on, Rocky. See what he called us? Bloody woodworm, he said, as if we were below him. I'm sure he didn't mean anything by it. He's the one that's gonna be bloody when I finish with him. He'll be spitting out his teeth for a week.
Oh, yeah? Like, I'm so scared. Oh, mummy.
Right! Rocky, remember your osmotic water potential. Teach him a lesson, Rocky. Strike a blow for woodworm everywhere, Rocky!
Violence won't solve anything,
He's right, Rocky. Give the petition a chance before we start direct action. You're right. You were lucky, pal.
Enough of this idle banter. What's going on here?
Well, it's a cover-up for our extremist equal rights movement. It's not in the least bit belittling or anything. We're just trying to make ends meet before assuming our rightful place in society.
What are you doing?
Carving ornamental figurines for the tourists. Do you want one?
What sort of idiot would come on holiday here?
Loads of people come here. Valley of Doom's really popular at this time of year.
What about sordid?
Nothing better than a power-crazed megalomaniac to attract the tourists. They wear "I've survived the Fortress of Evil" t-shirts. Fancy wood carving.
All right, then. I'm sure it'll look lovely on the mantelpiece.
You'll have to supply the wood. The stuff you get around.